Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Mini Cooper headlight trim. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and parking on level ground for safety. Remove the bumper or access panel as needed to reach the headlight assembly, then gently pry trim clips with a soft tool to avoid scratching paint. Keep screws and clips organized in a small container and photograph each step to make reinstallation straightforward and stress-free. To access the headlight trim, remove any screws or fasteners holding the bumper or wheel liner and set them aside. Carefully pull back the liner enough to reach the trim clips and bolts, using a soft pry tool to avoid marks. If a clip resists, warm it briefly with a hairdryer and work slowly to release it. Keep track of each fastener so the trim snaps back correctly and the gaps remain even. Support the trim as you remove the last fasteners to prevent it from dropping and cracking. Once free, inspect all clip tabs and replace any damaged pieces so the trim sits flush when reinstalled. Clean the mating surfaces with a mild cleaner to remove road grime and apply a tiny bit of dielectric grease to exposed connectors to prevent corrosion. Reassemble in reverse order and check alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.